All right, I'm gonna start my coffee off in my kitchen because I have one more weekend with my dog being unable to be without a cone. And she and Blue are in here with me. So today I was going to talk about a weird circumstance that comes with artificial intelligence using it when I'm working on code. So the when I was first learning how to do software a long time ago, that would have been 82, 83, 1982, 83. One of the things they used to tell you is comment your code. And it's one of the first things they taught you is the first thing that you got rid of. The reason why you got rid of it has a lot to do with the fact that you can kind of read the code and see what it's doing. So even if you put good comments on it, it only helped a little bit. Now, the biggest problem was that when people got really going and they got in there and they would change software because it didn't work correctly or there was something else that created a problem, the thing that they would do is change the code, but they never changed the comments. So even though somebody was really good and put in some good comments in the beginning, they over time stopped doing it. Or the comments didn't match the code, so it kind of led to confusion. So nowadays, it's not very uncommon. I mean, I got some code just recently from a really good programmer in Java, and there's no comments in it, none whatsoever. And it's not problematic because I can read the code and I can see what's going on. I can trace it back. I can do searches and see where it was initialized, and the variables are such names that they lend themselves to being well understood, and the functions are well understood how the names are done. So overall, comments just went away. Um, they're still taught as a good thing to do. You should comment your code, and everybody still says it. Now, in comes AI. Now, so the AI is, especially right now, you don't talk to it as much. You could, but we still have the condition of the fact that we kind of design most of the development environments, and people kind of share offices, they share workspaces and or meetings, and you don't want to have people talking while you're having a bunch of other people in there. It's distracting. So you still type to talk to AI. So you do two ways in most of the stuff that I'm doing is you could create a open a chat window with the AI, and when you open the chat window, uh, you can talk to it, or you can put a comment in about what you're trying to get done, and that is 90% of what I do. My comments have now come back, so I will actually write in the comments, I need to uh, search the folder to see if any PDF documents exist in the folder. Put that in a comment. Hit carriage return. The next thing that pops up is a suggestion. It's a path to the folder. Looks at creates a shoot. What's the name of that little delta function? and lambda function to grab all the names and search the names for .pdf. And if the first of default comes back with anything, hey, there is some. There's at least one. And then I can work from there. So it's interesting that these comments that went away are now coming back. It's not a big deal. It's just kind of interesting. They actually have a purpose now. They didn't for a long time. So, I gotta share this. This is humorous. So that's all I had for today for AI. It was the fact that comments are back. Comments are back in a big way, baby. I don't know what the dogs are doing. It looked like they're chewing up grass or something, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, we I lost some of my cushions. The squirrel decided to come and eat our cushions. He came down and he nibbled around the outside of the cover and then rolled it up and ran up to the fence and tried to get it up the tree. That's as far as he got. It got stuck after that, and I pulled it away. But yeah, my wife had to go buy more cushions. And they look better anyway. They have a little more padding to them, so I'm probably going to enjoy them more anyway. But anyways, the revenge of the squirrels is destroy my wife's cushions. And I say revenge only because these guys, she has trained them to attack the squirrels. They don't actually, they're never going to catch a squirrel. But what they do is they'll come out of she'll say squirrel inside in the house, and they will bust out the door and run after the squirrel. So it's more entertainment than anything. Yeah, they've never come close to catching the squirrel. They're probably never even going to come close. But anyways, the squirrel had its revenge on my wife. Ate her ate her cushions. There. Hmm. Squirrel power. Well, you guys have a wonderful day. And Pepper is supposed to lose that cone this Monday. She had her sutures put in, really, really strong sutures put in, and she has to wear the cone because she can't chew them out. If she chews them out, that would be bad. So but she's going to be going Monday to get those sutures out, and then we can take the cone off because she seems to be all healed up. It's just a matter of removing the sutures, and then she'll be done. So next time I'll be actually able to sit on the new cushions that my wife got and talk to you guys that weekend. So comments are back, baby. Talk to you guys later.